So far, everything is holding together pretty good on the backhoe. No cracks, no leaks. Nothing's broken. Still tied into the front. Tied it into the loader subframe. Still looks good. Right where I put it. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's been a couple years now. Been working it pretty hard. Digging a 3 to 4 foot ditch here for a water line through hard pan. This is probably a couple hundred feet. I got my water line to here. It's an 1.5 inch poly. It's 100 feet from here down to the road there. I put a drain line on top. This is all dug down about 3.5 feet. If the water meter in, they pushed under the road so they didn't have to dig the road. So far, so good.